we will see how to make curd from indigo cow milk, A2 milk. Basically, this milk is thin, so there is a traditional process to make the curd. Uh, I'll make the curd out of 1 liter milk. So you need to take the vessel which is deep, right? The process is we pour the milk, right, and then we mark it with this spoon, right. Then we'll keep on a very low flame. We'll keep stirring it. We'll not let it come out. We'll keep it boiling until the level get reduced to 10%, and then we'll again make it cool by again stirring it. The most important thing is to keep stirring it. 1 liter indigo A2 milk, right? It is kept on a very low flame. Then I'm marking it with the spoon. So before boiling, it is up to this level, right? Now I'll keep it boiling until this get reduced to 10%, say around this much. Milk is in the boiling state, and I'm continuously stirring it. Remember, continuous stirring is very important. We don't want a malai to get settled. If malai gets settled, then we'll not be able to make the curd out of it. See, the milk is in the boiling state and it is not coming up. So we'll keep stirring it until we reduce it to around 10%. See, I'm still stirring it. The milk is still boiling. We have started when this milk was at this level, and now you can see the milk has reduced. It has come to this level. So I'm going to switch off the stove, and we'll switch on the fan on high speed. We'll now make it to the room temperature, but process of stirring will continue until it comes to the room temperature. The process of cooling down, uh, I'm using this normal water and keeping this vessel in the water, but the stirring process continues. Milk is completely at the room temperature, and you can see the level of the milk. It has reduced. Right? I'll take it out. Now I've taken some curd. You can see this quantity. This is for 1 liter of the milk. This curd, you should take it from the normal store. Don't use the commercial curd, otherwise it will not get into, you will not be able to form the curd out of it. Make sure no commercial curd, right? This should be the curd from the normal store, right? Now I'm stirring this. I'll make the paste. It should be the complete paste. This is a complete paste now. Now I'll slowly add the milk. Now again I'll make it homogeneous. I'll mix it. You need to mix it very thoroughly. Complete paste mixed with some milk. Now I'll add the remaining milk. Now again I'll stir it thoroughly. Right? We'll stir it for another 1 or 2 minutes and then keep this vessel somewhere in the corner. In the morning you will get a very nice curd. See, nice curd is ready, and you'll see a yellowish layer on it, which is quite natural with desi cow milk.